Hello, in this video we'll look at vector analysis. I'm previous the tutor. Let's go. So we have a question here which is saying in the diagram below, OP is equal to 2P and OQ is equal to 4Q. PX is in the ratio with XQ of 1 to 2. So before we go any further, we need to simplify the ratio. We need to simplify the ratio PX to XQ, which is in the ratio of 1 to 2. We need to simplify it first. But how do we do that? We know that PX is equal to 1 over the total ratio, which is 3, of which line? Of line PQ. And XQ is equal to 2 over 3 of line PQ. We need to take into consideration that PQ is that, PX is that, and XQ is that, and they are all lying on this line PQ. Hence, they must be expressed along with PQ. So this is what we first need to know. We can go on and answer question 1A, which says express in terms of P and or Q. A, which says find vector PQ. Now, you need to ask yourself, PQ, your destination is Q. So, apart from moving from P to Q, what other way can you use to reach Q? So we can move from PO, then we can say plus OQ. So I'm saying PO plus OQ. Now look at PO. Look at OP first. OP is going in that direction, hence it's positive. But PO is going down, so it's negative direction. So we are saying this is the same as negative OP plus OQ. So negative OP we have as 2P plus 4Q. As a result, we are going to have PQ is equal to 4Q minus 2P. So take note of that. We have PX. Now we know that for us to reach X starting from P, we can move. Now we know that PX is that. So we can move from N there to there, but we don't have OX. We can move from PC to CX, but we don't have what? We do not have CX. So what do? We know that from the previous what we know that PX here is in the ratio of 1 over 3 with the PQ. And we just found PQ being 4Q minus 2P. So PX is equal to 4Q over 3 minus 2P over 3. So take note of that as well. Now we can find OX. So OX, how do we move? So now that OX is that, so we need to reach X from O. So how do we move? We can move from OP to PX. So we are saying OP plus PX. So OP is 2P bar plus PX. We just found it. We know what PX is. PX is 4Q over 3 minus 2P over 3. So we can simplify this and say, let's collect the like terms. So we're saying is 2P minus 2P over 3 plus 4Q over 3. So you can simplify it further. When you find the common denominator here, we are having the common denominator as 3. So 3 into 3, it's 1 into 3 is 3 times 6, that's 6P minus 2P. We'll still maintain 4Q plus 3. Hence from there we can say that is 4p over 3 plus 4q over 3. So this is OX, vector OX. So take note of that. Now we have question 2 says, given that OC is equal to H or X. Now we know that we already have OX as 4p over 3 plus 4q over 3. When you distribute it further, when you distribute H, you are going to have 4 HP over 3 plus 4 HQ over 3. Now we also have CQ. CQ, how do we find CQ? So we need to keep this. So if you are writing it down, make sure you write that one down. I'm going to rub it. So CQ, how can we find CQ? CQ is this side. How do we reach CQ? You know that we can move from CO then to OQ. So CO plus OQ. Now you need to know that CO is negative OC because it's in the other direction, plus OQ. So we also have this. So we'll take note of that. So I'll write it down. We can now prove the two. So CQ, we found that it is negative OC plus OQ. Now what is negative OC? We already have OC in the form of H. So we are saying we're having negative 4 HP over 3 plus, minus 4 HQ over 3 plus, what is OQ? OQ is 4Q. So we can now simplify. Let's collect what has got Q in it, we put it together. So we are having 4Q minus 4HQ over 3. You can group them, minus 4 HP over 3. Now when you look at what has been given here, where we need to prove, you see that what you have here is what we have here. What is this side is what we have here. So we just need to go ahead and factorize. So we know that 4 is common there. Now since 4 is common, we leave 1 there, minus 4, so we'll have H over 3. Now since Q is also common, so we take it out, minus 4 H over 3, then P. We've seen that we've proved that yes, actually it's correct. So thank you so much. I'm PVS the tutor. See you in the next video. Don't forget to share and subscribe and comment. Like I always say, in case you've got a question, don't forget to comment a topic where I need a video. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.